soups to savory dumplings and sweet pastries, Ukrainian cuisine offers something for every taste. Whether you are exploring traditional dishes or trying something new, Ukrainian cuisine is sure to delight your taste buds. Whether you are exploring traditional dishes or trying something new, Ukrainian cuisine is sure to delight your taste buds. Sirniki are small pancakes that are made from farmer's cheese, which is a type of cheese that is made from curdled milk. The cheese is mixed with flour, eggs, sugar, and vanilla to form a dough, which is then formed into small round pancakes. The pancakes are typically fried in butter until they are golden brown and crispy on the outside, but soft and creamy on the inside. They are often served with a side of sour cream and jam, which helps to balance out the sweetness of the pancakes. Sirniki are a popular breakfast food in Ukraine and are enjoyed by people of all ages. They are often served with a cup of tea or coffee and are a delicious and filling way to start the day. In addition to being a popular breakfast food, sirniki are also enjoyed as a snack or dessert. They are a sweet and satisfying treat that can be enjoyed on their own or with a variety of toppings, such as fruit, nuts, or honey. Overall, sirniki are a delicious and versatile dish that are enjoyed throughout Ukraine. Their unique texture and sweet flavor make them a popular choice for breakfast, snacks, or dessert, and their use of farmer's cheese adds a distinctive touch to this traditional Ukrainian dish. Their unique texture and sweet flavor make them a popular choice for breakfast, snacks, or dessert, and their use of farmer's cheese adds a distinctive touch to this traditional Ukrainian dish. Buckwheat is a common grain that is used in Ukrainian cuisine, as well as in many other countries throughout the world. It is a gluten-free grain that is rich in nutrients, such as protein, fiber, and minerals like magnesium, copper, and iron. In Ukrainian cuisine, buckwheat is often used to make a variety of dishes, such as kasha, which is a type of porridge made from boiled buckwheat groats. Kasha can be served as a side dish or as a base for stews or casseroles. Buckwheat can also be used to make pilaf, which is a rice-like dish that is typically seasoned with garlic, onions, and spices. Buckwheat flour is also used in Ukrainian cuisine to make a variety of baked goods, such as pancakes, cakes, and breads. Buckwheat flour has a nutty flavor and a slightly grainy texture, which makes it a popular choice for baking. In addition to its culinary uses, buckwheat is also used in traditional Ukrainian medicine. Buckwheat honey is a popular remedy for coughs and colds, and buckwheat tea is believed to have a calming effect on the body. Overall, buckwheat is a versatile and nutritious ingredient that is an important part of Ukrainian cuisine. Its unique flavor and texture make it a popular choice for a variety of dishes, and its health benefits make it a valuable addition to any diet. Borscht is a traditional Ukrainian soup that is made with beets, cabbage, potatoes, carrots, onions, garlic, and often includes meat, such as beef or pork. Borscht is a traditional Ukrainian soup that is made with beets, cabbage, potatoes, carrots,